स्वागत है आपका ऑनपॉइंट भारत में। मैं हूं आपके साथ रिद्धि। एआई ने हमारी लाइफ को बहुत इजी बना दिया है। हम जब भी टेक्नोलॉजी की बात करें तो कुछ भी हमें पूछना है, इट मेड अ लाइफ सो इजी। ऑफिस की बात करें, कॉलेजेस की बात करें, स्टूडेंट्स की बात करें, कॉर्पोरेट की बात करें, तो बहुत इजी हो चुका है। तो अगर इंडिया की बात करनी है, इंडिया के बारे में आज हम इस पॉडकास्ट में जानेंगे कि एआई इंडिया में कैसे परफॉर्म कर रहा है। तो इसके लिए बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़ चुके हैं मिस्टर राहुल बत्रा सर। बहुत
थैंक यू
बहुत स्वागत है
थैंक यू
आपका।
थैंक यू
सर, मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहूँगी कि एआई इंडिया में कैसे काम कर रहा है।
Okay, first of all, thank you. So let's say if we talk about the terms of AI particular to India. So let's say as we say we are standing on the fourth position of GDP nowadays. But the thing is, even the government knows if we want to compete with the top largest economy, they have to work on their AI research and development. So as of now, the budget that is passed related to AI I said it's quite a good budget that is giving the segment in all the sector like healthcare, finance, or you can say if we talk about the smart cities. So in every sector they have giving the budget related to AI research and development. So I must say in terms of AI India is going on a very good space. So in future we'll see more such things related to it.
ओके सर, एनी 5 टूल्स दैट यू वांट टू सजेस्ट टू आवर ऑडियंस कि ये आपको यूज़ करने चाहिए, आपकी लाइफ इजी हो जाएगी।
All right. So these are my personal suggestion that what exactly I'm using. So number first that is Gamma AI. Let's say if you have a kind of a student background and you want to have a good presentation on it, so you can definitely use this Gamma AI platform where you can have a very good kind of presentation with the help of this tool. Second is a kind of Suno AI where with the help of any words you can create any kind of good song related to it. So you can try this platform as well. That is Suno AI. Another one that I will suggest is Sora AI. Let's say if you want to create any kind of AI generated video or any kind of AI generated images, so you can use that platform as well. That is the Sora AI. Apart from that, one more thing is there. Even we have a kind of a platform that is prompt based where you can sell your prompt, even you can buy your prompt. Recently we have seen a lot of stuff related to the prompt where we can have a kind of images related to it. So there is a platform with the name prompt based, you can use that as well. And the last but not the least, ChatGPT and Perplexity, that is we all are using in our daily life. So yes, as per my suggestion, these are the things that make our work easier.
ओके
Thank you.
सर, जैसे एआई हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो वी आर लाइक आजकल एक ट्रेंड चल रहा है, पीपल आर अपलोडिंग देयर फोटोज एंड मेकिंग सम अदर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फोटोज।
Correct, correct.
तो डोंट ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं है कि हम अपना डेटा शेयर कर रहे हैं और डेटा सिक्योरिटी नहीं है एआई में?
It's not like kind of that, but yes, in on how we are sharing the things. But if we talk about basically about AI and machine learning, they are working on the predefined data that we are passing on it. On the basis of that, you are getting a recommendation and getting a similar kind of images to it. So on and all, yes, we are kind sharing the things, but yes, if we talk about the other side as well, they are utilizing it to getting the better recommendation and getting the better suggestion to it. So yes.
Sir, okay, my last question.
Perfect.
Is there any myth that you think is not a myth, but people are taking
Ah.
it as a myth and you want to
All
prove
right.
it as
So
wrong?
what exactly I heard from the youngsters at that AI is taking our jobs. So I must say that is not a correct thing as of now. If we keep ourselves updated, nobody will going to take our job. So let's say take example. Let's say if your phone is getting update on the daily basis, why don't we keep update ourselves as well? So the myth that is keep on buzzing that is AI is taking our job. But yes, if you're utilizing the feature of AI in a good way, so nobody will hold you to take your job. So I must suggest everybody either on any sector, either in healthcare, finance, or in any automation sector as well, they have to utilize these facilities in order to compete with this AI world.
That's
Thank
true,
you.
sir. That was a big myth. Okay, thank you so much for
Thank you,
joining with
thank
us.
you.
तो I just
Thank
hope
you.
आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो। आपके
Perfect.
जितने भी क्वेश्चंस डाउट्स थे वो इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद आई गेस पूरे हो गए होंगे। थैंक यू सो मच
Thank
फॉर
you.
ज्वाइनिंग।
Thank you.
देखते
Thank you
रहिए
very
ऑन
much.
पॉइंट भारत।